We all love the arrival of a new gadget, something that will make life more convenient and entertaining for yourself, or help you out with a clever gift idea for a family or friend. That's why we've put together some of the most interesting and innovative bits of tech out there right now in our list of the coolest, new gadgets we think you'll love. 4DD4 Drone with 1080p Camera for Adults. 1080p HD images and live videos, equipped with 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera which can be adjusted to take better aerial photos and videos. With FPV transmission, you can see the sky from a live video through a specialized app on your phone. Multifunctional and add fun to fly, our camera drone can perform 360 degrees flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app map, brings you spectacular flying experiences. You can fly the drone by moving smartphone up or down with gravity sensor enables the drone follow your phone's direction. Great best drone toy gift for beginners. Simply operation for stunning content, V for carefully optimizes user experience and intelligent features. Thanks to smart return to home, automatic takeoff, and precise hovering, operation is more streamlined and safer than ever. One key high-speed rotation would bring more fun amid flight. The possibilities are endless when the sky is your playground. Intelligent and fun, gesture-controlled makes selfie so easy. Simply raise your hand or pose V sign. The drone will take photos and videos, draw a path on phone screen, and the drone can automatically fly along the routes you set. Intelligent control, you can control the drone through the built-in G sensor, adjusting the vertical and horizontal lobe on smartphone without a remote controller, or control your drone with simple voice commands like takeoff, landing, left, right, forward, backward. Kodak Mini Shot 2 Retro. Instant camera plus photo printer. After taking fabulous shots with your Kodak Mini Shot 2 Retro, you have the choice to print or cancel, unlike other Polaroid cameras. This instant camera can also connect to any mobile device through Bluetooth to print straight from the photo gallery. Low photo cost, why pay more to print? Our Kodak Mini Shot 2 Retro photo printer is the most affordable option to print right from your home. Photos are more affordable if purchased as a printer bundle. Superior photo quality. Kodak Mini Shot 2 Retro uses 4-pass technology to print flawless photos instantly. Each photo is printed in layers of ribbon with a laminating process so it's fingerprint-proof and water-resistant for long-lasting quality. 2 photo types. The Kodak Mini Shot 2 Retro photo printer supports both border and borderless type photos. Write down your memories in the border type so they last forever. Print the borderless type to have larger sized photos. AR app. Download the Kodak photo printer application to print anywhere and anytime. You can use the fun augmented reality features and other decorative functions like beauty, filters, frames, and more. For GAOMON PD 1161 11.6 inches tilt support drawing pen. 11.6 inches 1080p HD IPS monitor. GAOMON PD 1161 drawing monitor comes with 1920 by 1080 HD IPS monitor paired with 72% NTSC, 100% sRGB, color gamut. Work area is 256.32 by 144.18 mm, 10 by 5.7 inch. High-end monitor ensure a more vivid display. Signal output, mini HDMI and Type-C, viewing angle, 178 degree. Plus or minus 60 degree tilt function. GAOMON PD 1161 graphic pen display support plus or minus 60 degree tilt function. We can freely draw from various angles according to the subtle pressure differences, and every detailed modification will be recognized immediately. 8192 levels battery-free pen AP50. Say goodbye to battery.no need to charge pen anymore, which is in humanized and environment-friendly design. The tablet equipped with 8192 levels pen pressure. The thickness of the lines will change with the pressure you put on the pen, making the lines more natural and smooth. 2 programmable hotkeys on pen body, and the default setting is erase and mouse right-click. 8 replacement nibs. The replacement nibs inside of the pen holder. Tractive waterproof GPS cat tracker. Live tracking and location history. Follow your furry friends every step in real time on your phone. See where your cat has been and what they've been up to. Designed for cats, lightweight and 100% waterproof. Rain, shrubs and trees are no problem for Tractive. Virtual fence mark safe spaces, like your garden, and know the moment your cat leaves one and when they come back safely. All-day activity monitoring, track active time, rest and calories burned. Set fitness goals. Keep your cat in great shape with Tractive GPS for cats. Worldwide location tracking. Use your GPS tracker for cats throughout the USA, Canada, and 150 other countries. Manage all features via the free Tractive GPS app for iOS and Android or in any browser. AMERFIST Flying Ball Toys. High-tech hand-controlled drone toy with cool RGB light. The Flying Orb toy provides intelligent flight. Different throwing angles and speeds will create different flight lines and boomerang effect. You can use your ingenuity to create your unique way of playing. The colorful LED at night will make your magic ball cooler. Lightweight and portable, this hover ball has undergone rigorous testing, made of high-quality materials, which are soft but durable, drop-resistant, lightweight and flexible. You don't have to worry that the flying toy will be damaged easily by your kids. It will stop automatically when it hit the furniture or any other pieces of stuff. USB charging, about 20 minutes full charge, 8 to 10 working duration. It enables various charging options such as charged by computer, power adapter, mobile phone, portable charger, etc. The indicator light comes on when charging and goes off when fully charged. Rechargeable and can be played over and over again.